Videotape.
Videotape.
Yeah. Amber wants to videotape. Oh, here. We'll see which one looks better on which. Okay. That one. Or that one.
You can't even see that one.
You're on camera.
That one looks better.
Danny.
You're on camera.
Yeah.
I have like the most freaking cheesiest smile. Oh my gosh, no, I had a smile one time and I smiled like this. I was like,
Allie and Tyler.
I didn't know how else to smile. Well, no, because like, you know when they're like, they ask you to smile and then you're like,
Yeah, you're like,
yeah, and so it's like the awkward like, I don't really want to smile but you make me smile. So you're like, then when the picture comes out you look like an idiot and you're like, watch, look at Dustin's smile.
I don't have a good smile.
Dustin smiles like this. Do I look like you? I'm gonna try to impersonate it.
Look like that. I hope I don't look like that. You're like,
You know, because you have like the
little seeds are in there.
Why is it all hot? Why is it hot?
It's tea.
She put it in the microwave.
No, dude, I did not put it in the microwave. I put the hot water in.
Oh, well that's just so stupid.
Shut up.
But I still love
Dude, if you really want tea, I have like a You do?
We're really exciting people.
Damn, it's like coffee.
we are.
You can watch
A
it.
squall.
Heat up tea
He's so full.
and drink hot
of
tea
Oh.
on hot days.
On the move for little sophomores. Or are those juniors? Kelly's a junior.
Do you need help with that?
No. Nothing you do.
Excuse me?
I don't know. I've got 15 copies of Macbeth, 10 copies of Dracula.
Oh, Allie, that's what I'm gonna bring over. Mrs. Price is like.
Okay, let's take pictures now.
Say goodbye to the camera.